Hello dear Libra, welcome to my channel and this is your 4th week reading for the month of August, exclusive love plus career reading. This is going to start from August 18 to the 24th. So if you have any question on your mind, do think about it so that you can get your answer in the reading. We're going to start with your career first. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. You've got the 6 of moons and the 3 of sun. There is something in the past that you're missing. Maybe you want to go back to, or maybe you're regretting. But but you are definitely looking in the past. You're looking backwards on something, at something. I don't know. It's related to your career. Maybe it's the past job that you want to take again. Maybe it's a decision that you want to correct. Maybe it's a task that you left and you want to restart it. But I do see that a new direction is coming. Uh, there is something that you want to start now. Maybe something that you've learned in the past and you want to apply. Maybe something, like I said, you thought of or you had an idea in the past and now you want to work on it. Now you want to complete it, right? You want to achieve it. I do feel that new opportunities will definitely knock your door this week. There is a newness, a new energy around you. If you are looking for a change of job, definitely this is the week. Go for it. If you want to start a new business, go for it. If you want to leave job, go for higher studies. Whatever new thing, whatever change you want to bring in your career, this is the perfect time for it. I also see that some of you could have taken a new job role in the same company, probably like as a promoted person or a change of department. This is also bringing a newness to your energy. I also see that you're very passionate about this field that you are thinking about and you want to start, and this will give you a lot of success and money as well. You will also be very happy in this chosen field of yours which is coming to you this week, or you're doing this week or starting this week. So go for it. If you were waiting for a confirmation, you were waiting for a signal, this is it. Okay, look nowhere else. Go for it. It's a very good card which talks about new beginnings coming your way and good luck is your side. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. You have got the 4 of stars in the page card. Libra, you are quite hurt. Okay, first of all, I'm going to talk about the people who are in a relationship or already married. You're quite hurt because you feel that your partner is drifting away, like they're not the same anymore. Maybe there's something wrong, right? Maybe there's a third party. Why are they not giving me the kind of attention they used to? They are just spending more time at work. What is really going on? Or the arguments have started increasing a lot more, right? Well, let me first clarify one thing for you. There is no third party. Okay, all of you who were thinking about it, stressing about it, please take that negativity away from your life. Page card talks about a very dedicated, studious and loyal person, right? Which means that this person is just more focused on their work right now. If they are a student, for example, if you're in school and college and you're watching this, they are just more focused on their exam, right? Their goals, their extracurricular activities right now. And if they have a job or business, they're just more focused on the goals. Now, I do see that your partner lies sometimes, right? And that is why maybe you're thinking that, they're lying to me. There is definitely a third party. Yes, they do sugarcoat things, right? They will never tell you on your face that there is something wrong. They will never tell you things as it is. They will try to sugarcoat it and put it in a beautiful, pretty way so that you accept it, so that, it's easy for you to digest. But still, that doesn't mean that they're a bad person. Yes, they have a habit of lying, so please ignore that. There is no third party, so please relax about that also. Yes, they are not focusing in their relationship right now. And if you are single, you are thinking that this situationship will turn to something more realistic, a relationship, right? This person is not going to propose you. I don't think that, to all those who are singles or they are in a situationship, I don't think that your partner is mentally or financially ready. Their focus is not on the relationship. That is why probably they are looking for just a fling or a time pass, because they do not have the bandwidth emotionally or physically to invest in a relationship. So you will have to wait a little longer. This person is not ready. So I hope I clarified a few things for you, right? To all those who are in a separation or no contact, I'm sorry to say, but this week this person is not going to come back, because, like I said, this person is trying to ignore you. right? By focusing more on their work. They have literally forgotten about you because they are so busy with work or swarmed with work, or they're purposely immersing in work so that they can forget about you, right? So this week, no love is happening in your life, Libra, no matter what your situation is, but at least be relieved that there's no extra third party situation, especially for all those who were in a relationship, right? I know it's sad also because no lovey dovey stuff happening, but I also sense that maybe you are not ready, or maybe this week you could also be very much focused on your work rather than love, right? Maybe you are not looking for love, you're more focused on your goals, you want to achieve it, you want to get that money, that bag, all right? So this can be very much your energy also. Please reverse the roles as you feel like. So yes, it's a positive week. I do not see any negativity as such. So please continue to think positive. And it's a powerful positive reading. I would suggest you comment, I claim this energy so that it reaches you faster. Now remember, this was a general reading. If you have very specific questions on your mind, if you want to ask them, you can book a personal reading for yourself in typing format or audio recording format. If you want to have an audio or video call with me, there's a separate reading for that where you can ask unlimited questions in the limited time. Also, I do have spiritual counseling sessions, rituals, and different packages available for career, singles, love, and friendship also. So please check out the description box or bio and email me if you want to make any booking or know the prices, or you can also directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. Guys, if you like this reading, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can get this reading in advance. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well, as I keep on posting the prices on a daily basis. You will get to know of everything. So please take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.